Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. With this printer, your little one can learn the basic construction of different 3D printers. It is believed to be a great alternative for STEM projects. The branded Meanwell power supply of this model can impart sufficient and stable power and assures that the hotbed gets heated faster. Other than this, it is inclusive of improved C-magnet build surface plate, which can protect the heated bed. Equally important is the Y-axis frame design, which can bring an improvement in the stability of the printing platform. The resume printing function helps in resuming the printing after any power cut. The high-watt hotbed and branded power supply of this unit provide faster heating to the printing platform. The upgraded extruder design of this model is useful in reducing the risks of the bad extrusion and clogged nozzle. The company offers lifetime technical assistance as well as 24 hours of customer service. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LulzBot Mini 2 Desktop 3D Printer. It is a high-performance and versatile 3D printer which can offer premium results. The plug-and-play functionality of this model assures 3D printing with the aid of the Quick Start Guide. The LulzBot hardware of this model ensures better quality so that you can enjoy professional results for several years. Colorado-based technical support ensures friendly and faster help. Because of the Aegis polymer bearings and stepper motor drivers, you can enjoy whisper quiet printing. It can print flexible and rigid materials with ease and precision. The graphical LCD controller of this model assures tetherless operation. The belt-driven Z-axis of this model is known to add the latest in motion planning. The heated print bed of this model assures borosilicate glass. Other exclusive features of this model are reversible pay, glass-heated print bed, genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder, hot end, and self-leveling technology. At number 3, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon S3D printer. This 3D printer is known to possess a high-resolution screen and adopt matrix UV lighting, which plays an integral role in ensuring uniform distribution of enhancement and energy. The dual Z-axis dual linear rail design of this model plays an integral role in bringing an improvement in the stability of the Z-axis, thereby assuring detailed reconstruction and smooth surface. On top of this, it has dual fans, which assure amazing ventilation. It applies the activate carbon air filtration and decrease the divergence of odor effectively. Because of the creative structure, you can enjoy more easiness for leveling. The touchscreen of this model imparts a new level of user experience. The greatly enhanced adhesion assures more stability during printing. The upgraded UV lighting of this model helps in printing with better accuracy and resolution. At number 2, we have the Raise 3D 101017001 Pro 2 Plus 3D printer. It happens to be one of the well-renowned 3D printers available in the market, which are loaded with a bunch of premium features. It is another popular 3D printer which is equipped with a dual extruder. People also select it for the electronic-driven lifting. You are going to get 4x enhanced torque performance by selecting this model. It also motivates the end user to a wide scale with the diverse filament compatibility. Few users are choosing this model due to the massive build volume, HEPA filter, camera, and filament sensor. It includes a touchscreen of 7 inches. You will be amazed to know that it offers sufficient opportunity for resuming printing after a power cut. Besides this, it features a 32-bit motion control board. The company offers a 1-year limited warranty and tech support. And finally, at number 1, we have the PHROZEN Sonic Mini 5.5 LCD 3D printer. You are sure to fall in love with this model due to the amazing features. This model is winning hearts with a user-friendly operating system and optimized industrial design. The mono LCD cure resin of this model is useful in bringing an improvement in the prototyping and manufacturing process. You will be capable of accomplishing offline one-touch printing by pressing on the touch panel in the offline printing mode. It makes use of para-LED to get an excellent accurate print. Thermal stable mono LCD cure resin with a lifetime of more than 2,000 hours is being used, which assures lesser and reliable maintenance. It is known to be compatible with all LCD resins. You can start printing in less than 5 minutes by choosing this model. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.